Yeah, I was actually going to start to sell my baby. So obviously for now I will be okay. Let's just go back here and make sure that yeah, let's do this. Yeah, I realized today that my app is not working well. You can't sign up if it doesn't work, basically. Free plan UX bypass one skip stripe. I got. Yeah, let's try this. So basically, I was actually going to start advertising on it, and I couldn't. Well. So it's time to fix my thing. Let's do Discord for now. I'll add Discord here. Remove this. Around it turns that my registration is totally broken. With AI, so I have to fix it with AI. So yeah, make sure to join the Discord channel. It's obviously a best place to talk about cool projects and sign up to a project that I'm planning to run next month. But I just need a bunch of people that will be building it for me, and not maybe for me, for themselves actually. I will try to actually help to run it. I will try to get them to progress on it nicely, but obviously I'm going to do like project management, and they will be doing building, I guess. So yeah, Discord is the best place to. Oh, let's just share the link to the Discord. Yes, join Discord. Yeah, obviously. So what I realized earlier, I was actually going to run like ads on this project, and try like I was going to start sending real people here, and just put like a couple of hundreds of dollars, maybe $1,000, maybe 10,000, probably not. Hi Isaac. How is back? Good to see you. So yeah, like I was going to run some ads, and I was speaking to actually. Good, you're listening to me, dude. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. What are you Are you like studying now or something? Yeah. So basically, I realized today that my registration is broken. I broke it actually last week when I was redesigning this page. So that's obviously on me. I can't blame it on other one. It's not AI's fault this time. So I'm trying to fix it with AI now because it was mostly built by AI. So I'm not gonna. I don't trust myself actually in this area, unfortunately. So that's a bad consequence of running things, AI, building things AI, because obviously you might not really understand enough about your app. So I will be hoping that my AI will my whatever Claude will figure it out. Otherwise, I'll have to start learning it. Maybe I will have to get back to what people used to do in ancient times. What's the new today? So yeah, as I was saying, I was actually planning to run some campaigns, run ad campaigns, like AdWords and stuff. Maybe Facebook with time. I don't know. I will have to learn. Basically, yeah. Thanks. So I can see that you're laughing at me. Yeah, I understand. It's all deserved, I deserve that. I basically, like, when I launched the page, when I launched this new page, I didn't really test it, I logged in, so the login was working, and then registration didn't. So now I'm just trying to actually get it to work the way it's supposed to. Thanks for all the love and likes and and nice reactions. But yeah, like this things happen all the time, you know. I recently I heard that Amazon they break their pay button and stuff once in a while, so that's what can happen. And for me, I broke my registration. So like, let's say I'm sending some people, and then they will decide, okay, we're gonna pay the 79 euros per month, you know, but how can I sign up? So I actually gave it to my AI agent to see if it can figure it out, because it should actually, yeah, I think this makes sense. So it will actually redirect to the right plan, basically. So the flow now is supposed to be that you sign up, basically. So you to sign up, you choose one of those packages here, which are broken obviously at this moment. So let's, because backend is off, so let's just start backend first, because they come from backend, you know. The plans which my like the payment plans are actually coming from backend, so I have everything set up there. So for example, it's tracking how many users is allowed on different package. So let's say you're gonna pay, you want to have a free, okay, let's plan. You're gonna have a free plan, and it allows you only 200 products and 200 deliveries, but I will adjust that. Actually, I will make it much less, and up to 2 team members, but then it will have to obviously measure that. And I have all of that in my database. So in order to actually display this, I'm fetching that information from the database. Is this your Planero site will be paid? Yeah, I hope so. You know, that's why we are building SaaS, you know. We want people to start paying us for our lovely products. And so the Planero is, in terms of a system, I think it's there-ish, you know. Obviously you can always add to things, but I'm gonna be selling it as a simple delivery management tool. So a simple means that, you know, if you have a small company, you can easily run it. You don't need like some sort of guru expert, or you don't need to hire some sort of expert guru programmer IT guy who will be managing your system for managing deliveries. You know, obviously those are actually much more complex, and they can allow you much more, like tracking things and things like that. But my system will only allow you to sort of display all your deliveries and products in one place, and then you can manage that there. So that's the idea, you know. It's a simple system, which is why it's supposed to be less expensive for people. Are you watching the videos I'm putting up on Shorts? Oh no. Okay, let's just watch one. I don't really see. Yeah, I don't like there's no dot here. Yes, I would expect to have a dot. I watched them other day, but like I haven't watched them recently. So I watched some of the popular ones. Yes. So I've seen this one.
I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't have tattoos, I don't want to impress anyone. I just want to show the best of myself. I always strive for hard work, dedication, and excellence. My life and my success came from my work, because without a doubt, talent without hard work is nothing. I don't drink.
Yeah, nice. Okay. It's is this you? Is this you reading this? Oh, I've seen this one. Yeah. So yeah, I think I'm up to date, except I didn't watch. So I was watching all the popular ones. Yes. So yeah, I've seen this one. Yeah, I've seen that one.
You're the one decision I'd make 1,000 times over without.
You love your laptop, don't you? You seem to show it a lot.
I don't drink, I don't smoke.
Okay, no, I've seen this one, yes. So is it twice or what?
I don't drink,
yeah,
I don't
it's twice.
smoke.
World is cool. JS vibe. Yeah, good, decent. Should be producing shorts, you know. If nothing matters. Why? Like, but you know. Yeah. Be more positive, dude. Yeah, okay. Which of the following premium features are you aware of? Smart downloads. I think I know that they're there. Premium controls. I don't know. Never use them. Continue watching. I don't know. Mobile queuing. I don't know. And I never use that. None of the above. Submit. I don't really use their features. Like, you know, I pay extra just to not to watch ads. Hello, Slow Panda. How are you? I don't know. Yeah, so see, like, this is first time I've seen something from YouTube asking me like, which features are you enjoying? And like, not really. Like, I don't really care about your features. And this is like most of the things we actually do. We buy things that has hundreds of features and then we use one. We often do that. For example, like I was paying for Canva. There's lots of premium stuff, like premium templates and stuff. And the only thing that sort of convinced me to pay for it was background removal. And I know, all of you will tell me you can have background removal from every software out there. You know, you can have it with GIMP, you can have like some sort of websites. I don't know, I just kept on paying for it. It was convenient. So yeah, I'm a sucker for background removal. Okay, let's just see, because I've just run. It says that it's fixed, so like that's why. Okay, no errors. Everything looks correct. Here's a summary of what was implemented, because the registration process was broken. When an unauthenticated user clicks on the plan, serves plan blah 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 to local storage pending plan, before redirecting to register, and passes plan's ID, not plan name, in hash, wherever. Okay, so it wasn't using the wrong IDs or what, but it was working before, so I was sure that it was correct. Both checkout paths now handle redirect URL returned for free plans. In addition to, I will actually, with free plans, I will actually really shrink them. I will just make them much smaller. Fixed URL params reading was using Windows search, always empty with hash routing. No parses Windows location hash. Correctly for plan ID, and after form submits. If no plan ID in hash, check if local storage pending plans. Okay, so it started saving them in local storage of my browser, which is nice. Added handled redirect by blah uses, added handle free checkout. Yeah, makes sense to me. You know, I'm not sure if it's correct, but I feel like the best thing I can do now, since it's very vague in my head how this was working before. Let's just try to register now. So I have a plan here. So let's do launch plan error. And let's just choose this one for now, yes? So I'm gonna process that, and nothing happened. Nothing happened. So what's supposed to be happening? Actually, launch plan error. Start a free trial. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. So let's try this one now. No, this is broken. This is doing nothing. Still broken. Not even more broken than it was before. It seems to be broken even more. When I choose free plan, it just redirects me to the... Oh, okay. To the front page with these params. I should probably go to register. Also, okay, when I choose free plan, when I choose paid plan, I'm getting, because like, okay, let's see again how my payment plans are actually subscription plans. Okay, so so let's just preview that one. Sorry. So yeah, I do have some price IDs, I'm guessing. Price, annually price. Yeah. Sorry. Choose paid plan, I'm getting error. Yeah, in a minute I will put that error. This is response from, what was the endpoint again? Subscription plans headers. And this was, oh yeah, the error. Let's see the error again. Yeah, this is the one. Yes, create checkout. And let's just give it, this is payload for this request. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's, I don't know. This is the problem here, because that's why I should probably in the future try to limit my AI coding. I think that's actually the future for me might mean programming like the old way. Because if I don't really understand my backend very well, that's not really good news, in my opinion. I think it's something that I should probably know much better. And yeah, this flow is kind of weird, to be honest. So I'm actually happy that it's working. So, and for a reason, like for a small app, I think I'm okay with that. But if this grows up, I think I might either rewrite it or maybe try to be better at understanding what it does actually, really. Because this registration is not 100% clear to me. It's not really, some of it is kind of crap. And also my routing, but like at this point, I don't really know what to do with it, to be honest. So for now, let's just keep it as it is and hope that I will be smart enough at some point to do something about it. Or maybe I will just start doing other projects and we'll just forget about that. That's also very likely, you know, that can happen as well. I seem to act that way, you know. I kind of get excited about the project, and then, you know, but that might be rational anyway. You know, if you don't really see results, then you don't really continue doing that for too long. For example, I can see some results from YouTube. This is kind of fun because it's growing slowly, but it does. So that this actually motivates me. But I think, like, in the other hand, maybe I should focus much more on Planero as an actual project, because this is something that might actually bring much more, I guess, in terms of potential, it probably has good potential. So I don't really know. Like for now, I will be working on it. I will be working on YouTube and slowly we'll try to get to some sort of nice output. But yeah, it's interesting actually. Oh, I forgot to set a. Oh, and I have to do. Oh, there's so much stuff to do. Crazy. It's almost impossible sometimes to catch up on everything. Like if you have multiple projects, like each of them moves slowly. And even today I was talking to Ola, who is my marketing girl. She's helping me with project management, a bit of marketing, and you know she can do also design and even some programming. And I was like, you know, I was trying to explain myself why things are going so slow. And like I don't really have really very best answer for that, because you know sometimes they go slow because I just try to work on too many things, or sometimes I'm just talking to the camera for too much. Yeah, it's best when the businesses are going quicker. You know, you obviously always want to have results. Yesterday I was actually reading some comment on LinkedIn, and there was a guy saying, oh, after 6 months I finally got my first sale. So you know, things are not always that quick as we want them to be. LinkedIn. Yeah, there was a guy just like pointing at his machine like, yeah, I've got one client, which must be fun actually. Like I remember when I was actually selling some projects many years ago, like 10 years ago, and yeah, getting a bunch of clients was a great news for us. Especially the first clients. I don't know, I don't see the guy. It was basically somewhere on LinkedIn. Yeah, getting first clients is the best feeling almost you can always have. Senior front-end Angular developer, that's not for me. I don't know front-end. Sorry, I don't know Angular. Sometimes when I work too much with AI, I forget that I forget to know front-end. Yeah, I can't find the guy, unfortunately. He was pretty fun actually to. Yeah, I mean, it was really nice message. Like, yeah, finally I got my client, my first client for the app, you know. So someone was building an app, maybe on the side, and then released it, some sort of an app for parents. And then, you know, he was celebrating first client. Okay, no error. Here's what was fixed. Subscription. Okay. DApp hash-based routing. To root problems. The free plan redirect. Okay. Direct, blah, 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 page. Subscription success. Let me fix both. Okay. Now I have the full picture. Subscription success, backend success URL, backend redirect, subscription success. Okay, no error. Here's what was fixed. Yeah, let's see actually. Maybe by testing I will actually understand it better. So let's just do localhost 3000, which is my entry point. Let's launch Planero. Let's try free. Go to login. So, but I didn't register. Don't get that actually. This is even more broken than I thought. Okay, this is breaking the page. So let's see the error here, because there seems to be some error. Yes. Okay, so let's fix first this stuff. When I register with paid plan, I'm getting, when I press register button, I'm getting this error. Errors. I think there's multiple of them, multiplicity of them, and so obviously that's not what I like. After creating your account, you have been your token for... okay, I don't get that. So let's just try this. Yes, okay, so fixed select plan name. Okay, let's try launch plan error. Start a free trial. Okay, let's try to register with paid one for now. But so I've got this pattern marker 22 Gmail. Okay, fakturowo, no, okay. Pattern market 22, that's my email. So let's just try to register on this one. Pattern market 22, create account. No, this is broken again. Yeah. Yeah, so this doesn't work at all. Launch planner. Okay, so my pricing doesn't work. Go to login, back to pricing. All of it is broken. All of it is fucked. Yeah. It's when I register paid for paid account, what am I getting? But then when I fill up all the details, all the registration details, it redirects me to the home page with the... what was the error again? There was an error that... I think it's this one, yes. Pattern market 22, create an account. Price ID not confirmed. With the price ID not confirmed for this plan, error. Yeah, keep on fixing, my friend, my AI friend, because you seem to be... you broke it, it's your responsibility. I want my clients to be able to pay and register and make me rich, obviously, and otherwise I will be poor as... No, I think like I will just have to go to work. I'll just have to go to corporate job, because obviously it's fun to build your SaaS, but if you can't really make people register, that's probably something you won't be able to sell them. But I'm sure we will fix it today. This is why we have server errors. Obviously, this is why we have server errors. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying even. The Stripe configuration issue, not the code bug. The starter plan is database, not empty. In the database has empty Stripe. Okay, monthly. Okay, let's just do that. Let's just go to the database. So, okay, maybe. Let's see. So we go to my database. Pattern market. No, that's not the one. Let's go to not Stripe. Which one? Like so many services. Okay, I need to go to Stripe. Anyway, so let's go there. But also I need to go to backend. Render. Oh yeah, or render. I can check my backend links. Oh, I have to go for GitHub. So here, product planner, yes. And here I've got my backend, prod backend, yes. and this one, and now I have an admin section which logs in, which is nice because I've actually managed to get my things sorted, my password sorted. Okay, so let's see if my free plan has Stripe monthly. Oh, it doesn't have yearly, obviously. Maybe it should just use the same one for yearly because it's free. It's free. Let's go to Stripe actually and see if I'm maybe. So exit sandbox. Okay. I don't know if I should be showing those IDs, so maybe I shouldn't. That's for free plan, so I will just do it on the other screen, and unfortunately will not be showing to you guys for a moment. What am I doing here? I can put two things in the browser. Wow. I just realized I can put two pages in the browser. It's like a new discovery for me. Oh, I think my mouse is I think I have to change batteries or something. Let's just make them warmer. They like to be warm. When you warm them out, they might actually work for a minute longer. I just don't want to be looking for batteries now. So let's just replace that. Make this into here and see if it's working. Is it working? Oh, come on, work. Close. Mouse, come on. Yes. Are we? Yes, we are. So basically, I just realized that this is in browser somewhere. I didn't know that this even exists. Yeah, okay, I can do that. Nice. I didn't know that this is possible. You can put two things in one. So yeah, let's go to Stripe. And I will be doing some of the stuff on the other screen. So if you're watching, obviously some of the entertainment value might actually not be, it might not be as entertaining as otherwise. But unfortunately, I just have to check that all those codes are correct. And to be honest, I don't really know 100% if it's safe for me to do that. So for now, I will just check. Where's my backend? Come on, backend, show yourself here. So this is for free plans, so I hope it doesn't matter. Max products 50, max deliveries. Okay, so this is actually those are different numbers than I'm using in the other place. Yeah, so I think oh no, because yeah, no, this is for production. Okay, for production I have different numbers. Yes, Planero. Well, let's also see if it's certainly. Yeah, okay, 50 up to 50 products, 10 delivers per month. Makes sense. Up to one. Okay, so this is different. Basically, I just have different settings on the front end and on the back end. Although when I check it here, oh, okay. So let's do localhost 8000 because for testing I just have to do it here. Okay, so I need to make sure that this is set up here as well. Admin, yes. So my subscription plans, and I don't really know. This is my local one, so. Machi admin, maybe this one. I don't know. Maybe that was shit. Maybe I have it here, someone. Maybe. No, that's not the one. Maybe if I use the other one. I should really write those things down. Maybe here. Maybe not. Come on, what's my login here to the database? Okay, let's just create super user on the database, on my local database, so I can show it to you. So here we can create Python, manage by, create super user, and this will be admin. Yeah, we're fun name. This is local, so Oh, already taken. Oh, let's try admin. Admin. Are you? No. Oh, because I closed backend. Oh, what an idiot I am. No, run server. Yes. Oh, there's 10 people here. Hello, guys. Welcome. Good to see you. Make sure to subscribe. Like it's sometimes it's funny. I just get like sitting here and like looking at I've got stats on the side, and it's just me and like 2 more people, and like suddenly boom, plus 10 or plus 8, So now I have to become really much more fun. Maybe I should throw some jokes. I was listening to some podcasts and they were telling a Chuck Norris jokes, which probably I shouldn't, because it's a sad thing that the best karate guy ever, the most powerful person on the planet. Thanks for subscribing, by the way, somebody. Nice to see you here. So yeah, thanks for subscribing. Make sure to join the Discord channel. But okay, I will not be throwing Chuck Norris jokes. I mean, they're funny, actually. They were always funny. And I remember when they came out, and it was like 15 years ago or something. It's like early internet, early Facebook, and everyone was just joking. And but I was actually abroad, so I wasn't really up to date. I think I was studying at the time. I didn't really care about that stuff. And I came to Poland to visit my friend, and he was just cracking those jokes, throwing those Chuck Norris jokes all the time. And it was really like already past their popularity, but like, he kept on throwing them, like, there is what was it, like Chuck Norris can slam the revolving doors, or he doesn't do push-ups, it's an earth, he's moving the earth basically, or something like that. So when I came here, I was like, wow, they're so funny, dude. Like, I never heard them. Like, everyone heard them before. Everyone already knew them, and I was like, oh yeah, I was the one that wasn't aware of them. So yeah, welcome guys, good to see you. I can see that there was a bunch of people just joining now. I think like YouTube suddenly started promoting me, and this is very random, Sometimes like an algorithm picks you up and everyone is watching you suddenly, and sometimes you're just like probably not being shown to everyone. So basically today, my app, I'm trying to fix my app, and I just realized that basically there's just so many issues that I have to fix them myself here now. So for example, on my local instance, I have to make sure that my payment plans, because I want to have my payment setup correct, are working. So maybe I will actually connect it to Sandbox actually. I wonder. Okay, so let's go to my payment, my local. So this is my local, and when I register, does it work now? Okay, so I'm in admin, so I have an admin. That's a local, so don't worry, you won't be. This won't let you hack me basically. Let's hope I can hack myself at least. Where is the maybe admin 1? Nah, nothing works. Okay, let's just try again. So let's just create a super user. Yes, so super users are there to manage the database. And let's do admin 1, 2, 3. Yes, so you guys remember that. I will try to remember. I will forget it tomorrow. 1, 2, 3 at gmail.com. Yeah, it doesn't matter here. It could be OM. No. So this is password 1. I mean, it wasn't password 1. It was some other password. Doesn't matter really. It's just local. 1, 2, 3. 0. Good. Are you gonna be? Did you? Oh, because I closed my database. Sorry, backend. Did anyone here work with Python? It's so fun actually. Python is so good actually when in terms of output it gives you like responses. So when when you don't know what the error is, it will be actually very good to give you those errors. Someone's unsubscribed. Makes me sadder actually. So obviously that's fine, you know, it doesn't matter really that much. But yeah, I like when the number goes up, obviously. So someone joined, unsubscribed, subscribed and unsubscribed. So basically, like with Python, one thing I like about it is actually good with output, like with errors. So it's very descriptive. And even if you work with AI, it's gonna know more or less what to do with it. It's just like, oh, in this file, this is broken. So this is really nice. Let's see if yes, I'm in my database. So I've got my subscription plans here. There is a free plan. Let's see if it's, yeah, okay, so we don't have any Stripe IDs. So let's just do this from, should I do it from here? Maybe not. Let's just do it from my sandbox. So my Stripe, I have a sandbox here. So I'll just copy all those values from the sandbox account, and then I can test it basically. And this is my production. So let's not show it to people. I think like it's safe for me. I can show it, but let's not do that because I just think that this is what I'm thinking basically. I'm not 100% sure if it's actually correct. Copy price ID. So we have our Stripe price ID monthly. That's the monthly ID. And copy price ID yearly. There are two different, yes, prices. And then I have like product ID. Yes, that's the one. So I have to, and let's just adjust it to 50, just like I have it on my production. 10, 1. Yeah, let's just do that. Trial days. Save and add another. Okay, save and continue editing. So that's probably the one. Oh, but I have to go back now. Yeah, so this one seems to be correct. Okay, so this is on my sandbox, but I can that's why I have sandbox basically. This is like what we do. You know, when you want to be careful, you set up sandbox. So yeah, thanks guys for coming. I can see that I like when there's more people. Make sure to join the Discord channel. This is actually where I'm trying to throw together like a team, like a let's say there would be like a coding Avengers, you know, a bunch of people that will be building a product, and we will figure out what's the product, and we will be just doing like a standard, like corporate, maybe not corporate, like, but what normally companies are doing, like, you know, Scrum and some project management. I'll try to manage it like properly, like I do in normal jobs, you know. So, and just to get it from start to finish all the way, make sure that we actually complete that project, that we actually get to the finish line. And yeah, and that this is the best place to join that kind of project. And here I have like a form that I've created with Google Forms, or here, you know, you can access it here. I will copy that even into the chat here. So yeah, I just copied the link to the chat. You can join that. You can fill up this form and say like, okay, I'm actually interested in project. These are my skills. You know, I know how to do, let's say, front end, back end, wherever. I'm advanced or I'm intermediate. I want to work, you know, I'm ready to work 10 hours or something, or 5 hours per week. And then I'll try to assign those people into a project, like choose the sort of a group that would be the best suiting for the product. Maybe one of them would take project management. That would be a perfect situation. And I would be like hanging around trying to make sure that you guys finish that. That would be good. And also another announcement that I keep on repeating, but I think it's very important. I really realize that it's actually pretty fun to make those videos where people are showing their apps. So I encourage people here. Tim Dillon is funny. Okay, this guy is funny. But I encourage people to come and show what they're actually building now, you know? So for example, recently I had a chat with this fellow from India, yeah? And he showed his like a library utility for AI coding. Hey, Sharmakaro, good to see you. Make sure to subscribe if you're not. Because did we speak ever? I keep on checking. I don't remember you, to be honest. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe and join the Discord channel. If you are not, I'm just checking. We never spoke before, so so good to see you. Thanks for coming. Now it's my first time here. Great. Okay, welcome. What I'm doing here is today I'm trying to fix my backend, my backend frontend. Basically, my app, which is my so I built a SaaS that I'm trying to sell to the customers now, which is obviously the harder part. You know, the building part is super easy for me already because I've been working on this crap for like 15 years. But what's hard, you can call me Bruce. Oh, good to see you, Bruce. Thanks. I will write it down. I actually write down some people. So next time when you are here, I remember your actual name. So Sharm Karo. Hey, man. So sorry, I will just write Bruce. And like the next time I don't have to go to like a conversation history because I used to do that and like just annoying people. So now I'm trying to remember them, you know. There's my list of people so far, 3 people. Yeah, and hey, Rahul. Where are you from, guys? Yeah, so thanks for coming. Thanks for joining. Basically, I was just talking. Okay, so I got distracted while talking about my latest initiative. So basically, I'm inviting people. For example, there was a chat which I had with Ansh from India, who built like a really useful feature, like maybe not feature. It's like a utility for those AI agents that can index your project. You know, so for example, like you can run his tool. It's called Mick. You can run Mick, and it will index your app with all the functions that are there and all the libraries that are there. And for example, like basically the idea is that it will actually first, when you prompt something, it will actually look to that indexed file, you know, so it will look where there are different functions, and like then it's supposed to be quicker for searching things, you know, for searching thing. Hello, Evan Fall, good to see you. Yeah, so like suddenly lots of people joined. I think like Google started promoting me again. So like sometimes they forget about me, and then they don't show to people that I'm streaming and I'm trying to fix my app or something, do something like that, and then it's not really promoting me. But then suddenly everyone is joining at once. So yeah, good to see you. I mean, that's pretty good. So hello. Efron Fall, good to see you. Thanks for joining. And are you building something, guys? Are you like you know, creating projects or something? Or because Efron Fall, I can see that you are building something. Yes. Sorry, that's your channel. So don't be mad if I'm showing your channel. I'm advertising on it. So it seems like you are actually building some. I can see Swagger here. So your backend is working, I guess. Yeah, I'm from Poland. So I can see that you are doing what's this? Obviously some Git stuff, some models. That's useful. Oh, okay. So how to build online shops and stuff, and cat website. Yeah, good stuff. Hope you will succeed with your things. With building those things. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I do love that. Obviously, I encourage everyone. And if someone wants to join the project together with a bunch of people that I will be helping to run it, come to my Discord. The Discord link is not. Oh, it's actually on the top of the chat. Let's just pin it to the top. So that there is the message pinned is actually my Discord channel. You can join there. Usually I'm just throwing my videos here just to promote it. Obviously, it's extra promotion for me and more people come. But also another thing is like I want to start running projects with people, and like I would be using my huge experience in project management. No, not only project management. I have some experience in project management, but basically in building apps. And I will try to help them to actually get the project from start to finish. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And the link to sign up for the project idea, hopefully I mean, I've got already like 10 people so interested, so we will actually have a good list of, I think, like, if I manage to get like 2 teams, that would be even better. But I think like even 1 team will be great. So we can sign up here, and there are some like really advanced people already, not only that, just like new guys to programming, not only vibe coders. There are some real, like, I mean, yeah, vibe coding, it can be real software engineering, obviously, but I tend to think that programming itself is very useful, even if you want to vibe code apps. So, and I always try to encourage people to go into learn technologies, learn programming languages, learn databases and stuff like that, front and back and whatever, because it's very useful for them. It's very beneficial for people to actually learn those skills, even if they will be actually using AI for coding. So that's, I think, like it's a great mix. If you have a technology, if you know technology and you can use vibe coding, that's probably like a pretty good mix. Although I think like I'm actually thinking now, maybe with my next project, like that, I'm actually thinking that I will try to limit my AI use. So currently, I've been actually, for this Planero thing, which I built recently and released recently, I'm trying to sell it now. I've used quite a lot, actually. I would say I've probably used like 80% of my actual code was AI, which is huge actually amount. This is I've never actually did that much AI coding before, and I'm actually like quite new with AI coding myself. Like I was really, for a long time I was trying not to do it, and I was really fighting with it because I thought like, okay, probably it's not always useful, I guess. I mean, and like it's best to actually understand what we are writing, what we are releasing, and know our environments well, rather than just rely on some sort of external tool to do it for us. Because basically, like there are moments where you really want to be the master of the thing. I don't know if I make sense. I hope I do. Okay, let's just. I'm just checking my prices. Sorry, this is the. Basically, I have to update my database with my product. So now I'm checking my Stripe, where I have my payments set up, and I just have to make sure that it's all working correctly. And I'm not really promising. Maybe this is 1,000 on my production, but that doesn't matter really too much. So let's just save that. So yeah, welcome guys. I can see, yeah, people keep on coming. I should have actually done like so usually I do survey as well. So let's do that actually. So let's just, I had one this morning, really nice, but unfortunately not many people actually been there. So like I kind of discarded it, but I will run it again because it was a good survey. It was basically asking people, what was this? Let me just find it quickly. But where you usually get SaaS ideas from? That's I feel like it's very useful. And yesterday I was actually talking about, I have a podcast weekly. I was actually talking yesterday about like how do you get ideas? Because I keep on being asked that question, and sometimes like I'm also wondering like, okay, what should I build next? So I feel like my favorite option, if you want to make it commercial, you probably have to look for a cause that you want to be fixing, something that you want to be improving or that needs to be done, needs to be created. And the best places I find myself to is asking business people who actually are building something. Okay, so let's do like, okay, so I will just check the chat quickly. Check out the survey that I've just dropped. Let me know what you think. So can you share the Discord server again? Okay, yeah, the Discord server is here. It's pinned to the top just in case, but the Discord server is here. I'll drop it again. By the way, what shall I call you? My name is Maciej, or I'm also Maciek. Yeah, Maciej, depending. I'm in office, got to go. Okay, goodbye. It was good to see you. Thanks for coming still. I really appreciate you being here, and thanks for subscribing. That's a great one. Guys, if you can, there is a survey next to the chat or above the chat, I don't know, it's showing somewhere. You can let me know what you think. What are the best places to get ideas for projects, if you're in your opinion? So like if you are going to build a SaaS product, where would you look for that? Where would you look for ideas? Interesting, actually, isn't it? So, there are some responses like, talking to real people. That's a good one. Online Reddit forums. This is also real people complaining about things. Although those real Reddit forums are often scavenged by some SaaS builders. And obviously they're doing that. And probably that's something I should, maybe I will try to do that on my live streams before the next product I run. Just thinking, brainstorming, maybe. Copying existing products. This is actually a very not appreciated, If there is something successful, it's not too bad idea to actually copy it and try to compete on price, on features, on maybe some other additional stuff. So those are, for example, my Planero thing, it's already, this problem is already solved by many companies, but I'm just trying to compete with them. And I can see that even if I have a fraction of their customer base, if I still, very small percentage of their businesses, obviously I'm not, okay, I'm not going to steal the business, but basically if I get some of the customers from them and there are still lots of customers, according to my research. My mouse is breaking. My batteries, I think, are running out, so I have to actually replace. So that there will be like a very entertaining part of my live stream now, where I'm replacing a mouse battery. So if you can hang out for a second. I have my huge box with everything. This is cables and batteries somewhere, and mobile phones, all old smartphones here. Some working, so broken. And I've got my battery box, my battery bag. And let's just grab 2 batteries, which I need now. Where are they? Oh, rechargeable. Nice. This time my mouse will be rechargeable. So yeah, sorry for that. Seems like my mouse was dying. I had to replace some batteries. Yeah. So those are old ones that kept on failing me today all the time. And now let's see if the new batteries. What an exciting segment, isn't it? What an exciting live stream. The guy is changing batteries. Yes, it's working. So yeah, this mouse, this brilliant Logitech mouse, now will stop messing around with me and will just let me finish my work, because basically I just have to make sure that, okay, all this pricing is correct. Basically, I've got this setup in my backend where I have those subscription plans, and this is also on my production. So this stuff is from Django. So this is for managing your database. And oh, welcome, 17 people. What a great live stream. Boy, almost my record. I feel like my best one was 22. So having 17 people is almost like yeah, it's close to my record. And also, like, I really need to pee, so I might need to go, and everyone will go now. But yeah, make sure to subscribe, guys, if you are new, and join the Discord channel. I think this is the great place where you can connect on some projects. I have a survey actually on I can see that people are clicking on the survey. Great, thank you for that. Thank you for that. Hi, Aziz Beck, good to see you. I mean, yeah, I know you are here, obviously. But what was I saying? Okay. So yeah, join the Discord. There is a forum here. You can join a project that I will be running, probably somewhere in April, from April onwards. And we will be building something cool, I hope. And I will be talking about it all the time on the live streams because it seems to be fun. People love when we talk about actual projects. And another announcement, if you are building something yourself, no, I'm not a vibe coding only. I mean, I do quite a lot of vibe coding recently with this project, but it's with some stuff I'm actually doing programming myself, because yeah, I do still enjoy some programming, you know. So it's not only vibe coding. Now it's set up, you know. I just have to get my database set up correctly. So my let's go here to my local host. So basically my sign up is broken now, and I was actually planning to do some promotional. Now I was planning today to start like a marketing campaign, and because my registration is broken, that's something that, because I redid this page, I recently redesigned this page, so now I have to get it fixed, you know, basically. Oh, good. Okay, that's good. So now I have my price IDs here. Okay, let's try to sign up. I think that now I should be working actually. Let's just try this guy and plan pattern market 22. That's one of my. Okay, you're creating account. You will be taken to payment for the plan monthly. Okay, this is unnecessary, obviously. So let's just remove that in a minute. Yeah, so not only vibe coding, but first, thanks for, oh, you did not provide an API key. You need to provide an NPI key to authentication handler. Oh, yeah, obviously it seems empty, isn't it? I should have actually kept my network tab open. This is very important, because otherwise it's not going to register your network calls. So obviously this one, yeah, let's try again. Okay, let's try. Oh, yes, we have that. So, plan ID. This is not really a plan ID, is it? This is like a broken. Folks, yeah, okay, yeah. I enjoyed your videos, although you should be, I think in my opinion, you could be more positive. Like I could see some dark thoughts there. You should probably be like, really, or maybe you shouldn't. I don't know. Try to do then. Maybe it's your style, so maybe I shouldn't really complain, like talk about that. It's your individual style of video, which I shouldn't complain, because you know you're gonna have a. Okay, what's this? Oh, okay. So let it just finish. I think I interrupted my AI agent fixing my app. Already have Stripe IDs confirmed. That names errors coming from somewhere else. Oh, so I actually just do it again. I will just allow my AI agent to finish this bit, and while it's actually doing this, I will be just dancing here, hanging around. But I think I just interrupted the thing there. Yeah, in terms of like I'll be number one in your chat. Good. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate that. Aziz, but good to see you there. Prancer already have Stripe ID, price ID configured. That means okay, that's fine. Let it just. Nice, yeah. Congratulations. It means that you write the most. Yeah, you are the most active user here. So yeah, and yeah, I can see kind of like a bunch of people coming now. Good. Make sure to subscribe. I do love the animation goes up, you know, when you say press subscribe, and this is like it's almost it's very captivating when you see this animation there. Like, it's so lovely. And then you know, then another one and another one, and then by the end of the day I will have 10 subscribers extra, which is great, which is something that I really enjoy. This is like, I don't really think that this things like YouTube channels can be grown quickly. I heard that this is like really slow and painful process. But yeah, it's fun actually to do live streams, I must say. Like this is like the most interesting part in the YouTube like thing is like live streams. You know, and obviously I'm a starting channel, so obviously if in 5 years you can say that you were one of the first, you know, you were the 1261 subscriber, which is a, you know, and when there is 50 million or something, when I'm actually to, I don't know how many Mr. Beast has, when I'm overtaking Mr. Beast, I will appreciate that. I will remember you as 1261 subscriber, or less, you know, maybe below 1000. Yeah. So obviously, thanks for subscribing as well, someone else. There is yeah, so I think like whoever is new now, make sure to vote. There is a poll actually in the chat, or above the chat, below the chat, I don't know. Basically it's asking about something that I was speaking about yesterday, where to get ideas for SaaS products. And it's something I've been asked many times, so it's a fun question, obviously. And usually I would just say, you know, go speak to people that are doing something interesting, you know. Although like we can have some ideas ourselves, but yeah, I like to talk to people who are doing business, or like having some sort of a law, or like something, they're doing something important, you know, and they might actually give you an idea. I think that's one of the things, you know. But it's not like we shouldn't only rely on other people. We can rely on ourselves as well. And some research is good as well. So yeah, or you can just toss the coin and decide that way between I don't know what. But some people actually say that they spend a lot of time on Reddit and reading, like, you know, what people are complaining about. I heard that's a good idea. I never tried that myself. Maybe one day. Currently, like, the problem is that I have this project that I have to finish it, sort of, you know. So once I fix this problem of mine now, this registration, sign up, whatever, problem, payments, I need to actually, I will actually set up like the Google campaign, which I was actually doing today, and then I stopped, or whatever. I kind of failed at one point. I refreshed the page and it disappeared. What an annoying actually story. So, but then, you know, I also realized that my, you know, people are not, even if I send them to my website, even if I give them, you know, I pay for them to come, because I'm paying in terms of advertising, you know, so I will be actually putting some actual money into getting people to my website. So once I get them there, like imagine I send you there, you are actually interested in buying something, you are my potential customer, and then registration doesn't work. This is actually a very common problem, you know, if you think of it. I heard that many online shops, or like I've actually seen that as well, you know. For example, you go to an online shop and suddenly you try to buy something, you try to sign up, and this doesn't work. It's broken. So yeah, this is common problem, I heard, or I've seen actually myself as well. Oh, so let me just repeat my I will encourage everyone to join me on live streams if you actually are building something yourself. I think those are very fun, actually. Those are like, yeah, those are some of my best live streams, I think. So not only when everything is broken on my app, it's fun, but also when someone is showing like what he has built, or she, you know. I never actually had a girl doing that, but a bunch of guys were already doing that. I had a guy showing his card game. I had a guy showing his utility. There's a guy that has built like a website for students in Italy. Nice one. Nice ideas, I think. Yeah, interesting stuff. So yeah, if you have anything you're proud of that you've built and you want to talk about it and show it, this is okay. Windows, PowerShell. What's this? Okay. For pipelines, you need to set Stripe secret key. Ooh, where was my Stripe secret key? Since you are there's no env. loader in your local dev settings set as environment variables when starting in the backend. Your test key. Oh, what was my Stripe test key? Okay, yeah, it's obviously somewhere in the Stripe. Let's just figure it out. So this is my sandbox, obviously, so I don't really mind. This is not real price. This is not real money. No one paid me that. Although I have like some, oh, here. But secret key. Is this the one? I think I need to set Stripe secret key. Or permanently. Oh, directly in settings.py. Now let's just do this. Let's just add it here. Okay, so let's just do that. And we do env stripe secret key equals, and that should be in the bracket, not the brackets, but within the things. Okay, not found. Could not be found. Okay, maybe that doesn't really need those. Does it? No. Okay. Could not be found. I actually, so, but that's in Bash, isn't it? No, in PowerShell. Oh, okay. So I'm not really running this in PowerShell. Okay, let's just do what he does and then run server. Or no, not yet, because I need to first amend the settings. So let's just go to settings. I will have to remember that obviously later. So then there is this else somewhere. Where's my else? Secret key. Else. What do I have else here? Oh, here. So this is, I shouldn't really show that, but this is my testing now, right? Okay, backend shouldn't be, I shouldn't be showing that, but not the end of the world. Secret key, Django. Okay, that's not the one. Stripe secret key. Okay, those are luckily the production. Sorry. Okay. Yes, this one. Good. So this is for my sandbox, yes? Yeah, and let's try to restart the server. I'm obviously not sure if I can show that stuff to you. I hope you won't hack me now. I hope you won't hack my my sandbox account. That would be embarrassing, obviously. He would be saying, like, you know, he would be joking on me that, you know, the guy is working for 15 years in software development and he still does those stupid mistakes all the time. I just hacked his sandbox account. So yeah, I hope you won't be hacking that today. Yeah, and while this is actually okay, let's just keep this one. Let's just see if this will work now. Too many tabs now. Oh, that's probably the one that I want to be using. This is, let's not have that for now. This is my live stream, that's good. This is again on production. Let's just close all of that. Too many tabs, yes, too many tabs. Okay, so this is my local as well, so I have it twice. That's okay. So now let's see if it's gonna allow me to sign up. Obviously, this was functionality that was already solved. So let's just try the free plan for now. No, this is not the what I want actually here. This is not what I want in free plan. So let's try here. Let's pattern market, that's the one. Pattern market 22, that's the one. Create account. Payment processing is not configured. Please contact support. So I have to contact myself, I guess. I'm the support, am I? This will be a long session. This will take a while. I can see that we are not really progressing well. Okay, I have set up the Stripe secret key for my sandbox account here, but I'm getting this error now. Basically, there's about 5 or 6 things I have to fix in order for it to work. It's not only just like the sign up itself. There's also like what I get when I try to do the free one. Like there's a, like really unnecessary, some crazy stupid page that shouldn't be showing there. Yeah, let's see what this one is doing. So I will go for a short break. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so stay here, don't go anywhere, or go, you know, wherever. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you actually enjoy what I'm saying. I will be back in 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the toilet and be back in a minute. In 3 minutes, yes. See how quick I was? You are probably wondering if I went to the toilet. Did I wash my hands after? I did. I promise I did. So, yeah, that's why I can scratch my nose. Let's see if this is fixed. Are we done? Create checkout session. Obviously, this seems to be broken now. Yeah, let's launch Planero now. Start a free trial. Okay, this I don't like that. Check your email because this. Okay, after selecting free plan. After selecting a free, I get this instantly. Oh, maybe it's actually already, because it's already done. Yeah, let's go back to login, but I don't remember which password I chose. Did I? What was the latest? Oh, okay, I can check that in the database. Okay, yeah. Let's go to the database. So localhost 8000 in this case. Admin, yes. Let's see my latest subscription, latest use. Is it? No. Subscriptions. What are subscriptions here doing? So you. Oh no. By time. Where's my join that actions? Maybe on the other screen. The other screen is wider. Okay, join date. Yeah, that's the latest one. So we've got this one, email. I think that's the. You actually use email, yes? Do they have? Oh, maybe it's actually there. Maybe my password, because I need to. No, it's not sending the password. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Can I edit it? Yeah, set password. Okay. Reset password. Because like what I have actually on my backend, it's sending it to you to your email. So yeah. So now I should be able to log in. Yes. Yeah. Good. 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 Yes. So I was able to register with free account. Let's try it now, paid account. So probably like now, because it was saying that it's using local storage. So let's go to local storage and let's just clean this. There is some sort of a upgrade prompt. Theme, sidebar state, blah, blah, blah. No, no, no. Overview, some sort of cart item. Cart items? Do I have that? Wave? I don't know. This doesn't look like there is one. Remotion, product table, no. Overview, false. I don't know. Maybe you know, guys. Maybe someone on the chat can help me. Let's just clean this one. It seems like maybe there is a maybe here. Actually. No. This is for YouTube. I don't have session storage, do I? No. Do I have any cookies here? Session ID. Stripe. Okay, maybe that's the one. Stripe. I don't know. Let's try to clean this one. Oh, go back. Go back. Okay, let's just try. So I couldn't log in. That's fine. Launch planner. Good. Start a free trial. Let's try this. And pattern market. Okay, so I think this time I can actually just do whatever. Get 222. Let's just add another 2 here. Create account. Yes. Also, this shouldn't really show that. So let's just remember to remove this ID because it just looks scary. Like, why the hell do I need this kind of UUID to be displayed? So we obviously remove that. Create account. Payment processing is not configured. Okay. I should have kept that. Oh, let's see actually my backend now. Localhost 8000. Admin. Users, yes. Did I get new one now? Oh, I can't scroll sideways. Or maybe can I at the bottom? Oh, okay, yes, I can do this. They joined. This is from the start, yes. Pattern market 222. They joined, other way. So 22, that was, but that was earlier, yes. Pattern market. Okay, that doesn't matter. I think that's fine. Even the latest one. 1204. No, that's the old one. What do I do here? Last name. Okay. Can I change the user type here? User permissions. Active. Suspension status. No. Chosen groups. What is it? Token ID. Invited by phone. Invite token. No, that's not what I want, is it? Available groups, staff, active, super user status. No. Last name. Okay, so not that actually. Let's remove this guy. let's remove this guy for now. Oops. Was he on the top bottom now? Test user. Okay, test user. What was I? Okay. I thought I actually registered just now, but no, it didn't actually. So it didn't register that user. That's. But maybe I'll just throw it on production and see how it goes. That's also a strategy. Because on production I have actually more setup, and yeah, let's just do that. Because it seems it might be sort of working. It might sort of be okay. On prod. My production is only maybe one user sometimes. So I'm not actually worried if I break it. I'd rather not, but if I break it, it's fine. Can be fixed, obviously. So are you guys working on some projects now? Is there anyone like interested in showing your project? Obviously they're fun. Like projects are fun to build. So obviously, I mean, we obviously, like, I know all of you are actually building something like all the time. Like you have your side projects and stuff. I'm just kind of wondering like who is actually here in sort of similar area as I am, you know, you currently, you know, trying to get something run or something built, sold. I think I'm actually trying to get things sold and some other things finished, built. So for example, this one is sort of being sold now. Obviously, when customer comes in and he is not able to register, that's his buying ability might not be so good. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate that. I've just seen the lovely number to animate up. So yeah, it's obviously better when it goes up than when it goes down. Obviously, it's almost it's the same type of animation, but it just looks better when it animates up. So whoever is new here, make sure to subscribe, join my Discord channel. While I'm actually trying to make my app alive again. Yeah. So basically, I know it's a risky strategy. Normally, when you go to corporations, like people do that all the time. You know, they test things at production or on some sort of like a crazy environment that is further than it should be. You know, like some sort of staging environment or something, or testing environment. So people deploy things just to test them there, because the environment is better than your local often. You know, sometimes on locally we don't really have it properly set up, so it's good to actually get it out there. Let's see if it's actually being deployed. Right. My two daughters are fighting all the time, so it's a fun thing to listen to them. Obviously, they're lovely. They're obviously great. They love them. They love themselves, each other. I think they're great sisters, and then they're great fighters as well. And that's how I see them. Let's see this one. Oh, okay, so this was deployed. Let's just see if Planero online. Not Planero online. So I obviously have this now. Let's try to register with free plan. And 30 minutes mile, yes. Minute mile mail. Temp mail. Let's try that one. Oh, I used this one before. Yes, this one is pretty good. So now let's just register here. Launch Planero. Yes, that's Launch Planero. Obviously, like I'm probably doing too little testing sometimes. You know, sometimes I know I should be doing much better. Better job with that, because otherwise it's yeah. Otherwise, it's not very. I'm not always certain that my changes were done properly. So okay, I can see that the production thing was. So, okay, go to login. So I had this one and the password here. Will it send it? Yes. Welcome to Product Planner. Obviously, Product Planner is not really a name. So let's just change that as well. Product Planner. Welcome to. Welcome to. Subject. Okay. That's probably Planner. To Planner. Okay, I don't know which one is correct. Planner. 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 Yes. So smart, isn't it? Now it's to Planner. Yes, good. So it's not gonna be. I've seen this problem multiple times and I never fixed it. So it's a good that I just did it now. So welcome to Product Planner. So all of those will be called Planero now. Welcome to Product Planner, and this is the password for my test production. Yes. So let's just try that. Good. Now I actually should be seeing a message saying, "Oh, you should upgrade now." But I will have to check that later. You know, if this is really being done. But yes. So registration of new user works again, which is good. A free user. I don't like the screen that I was getting. I think it was. So, but now, how do I check paid accounts? So maybe I might need to do something that I don't really like to do. I might need to spend some money now, or at least sign up with my card. I think that's what I will have to do now. Test it with the real production paid account. And when I have it, how do I do it? Let me think. Because basically, this is always like hard, you know, like I imagine my customers, it's probably harder for them. But I imagine my customers, maybe they will just like sign up and don't worry about that. But I obviously have to test, you know, if it's all working correctly. Actually, when there is a free plan also, it shouldn't really show that it's 14 days to cancel any time. We have in all of our plans, we have this message. It should not show on a free plan. Makes no sense, my friend. Fix that. It's obviously like stupid. Like, why would people be able to change for, you know, no charge for 14 days? It's obviously there's no charge because it's free trial plan. Also, like another thing that I just thought, you know, also by default, we should have a annual plan, and then people should be able to toggle it to monthly. Yeah, okay, that's an easy fix. I could probably do it myself. I just like sometimes when I'm in AI mode, I will just do everything with AI, and when I'm in normal programming mode, I will just do it myself. But like it's harder for me to jump back into programming mode. Like my head is already working too much with AI, which maybe I don't really love that much. I will have to work on myself to restrain myself from using it so much. Oh yeah, good. We have a button here now. Cancel anytime, cancel anytime. Okay, so probably that's annual, that's monthly. So should we use my credit card? That's a very exciting opportunity now. I can test it on real money. Oh, no, broken. Payment processing is not configured. Please contact support. Yep. Oh, that's okay. That's local. That's fine. Let's just do here. I was already panicking, but now start the free trial. So now, see, this is the credit card stuff. All the fun. Oh, I don't want to do it on this account, to be honest. So no, let's just go back. But that's a good sign. You know, I'm actually seeing some good signs here. So I will then cancel it in Stripe, obviously. Let's just, okay, I'll go to my database. To my database, and then I've got my subscriptions and no, my users. Yeah, okay, users, and here let's just get it by date. Super admin. Oh, okay. Let's remove this one actually. Where was it? Where did I? Okay, I have one more account I can use here. Yes. Okay. So delete selected account. Oh, sorry, just a call. I will pick it up quickly. Hello. O, cześć, cześć. Mhm. Where am I? Sorry. my daughter just came here, invaded my space. They do that all the time. My two daughters, they either fight or come to my area of peaceful work, and they try to get some scissors, or like steal my pen or something, and then they go and leave that pen somewhere. But basically, I had a call from like an employer thing or like an agency that is before the employer, and the job would be pretty good actually. It's a full stack job with Python and with React, which I like. And payment is not, the pay is not really the highest, but I'll be fine with that. But it's a remote job that seems like I would like for a while. And I could actually keep on doing live streams. I would actually like, I'm kind of thinking if it's possible to do like live streams when I'm working for a client and on my own stuff. Like two machines, two machines, AI here, and they're just like, trying to do that. I think that would be, maybe not, I wouldn't really give those live streams so much attention, unfortunately. I will do them less, maybe. But might be fun actually, because there would be like some real projects, some other projects than just mine as well. So that might be actually pretty good, I think. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Should I do that? Basically now, we have this sign up here, yes? So, oops, Planero. Okay, no, again, plain. Planero.online. Is it fair for the employer while working for him to do live streams? I would just use 2 laptops, basically. I wouldn't really show what I'm building for him. I would be just talking about technologies that they need. Like if I needed to do some research, I would do it together with my brilliant audience here. And then we would be talking about that technology. I think that sounds like a good idea. But like obviously it's obviously like, yeah, I would have to be sort of quite careful about it. So they don't really, but yeah, I feel like tomorrow I have an invite for an interview with the agency. And I already had technical one, which seemed like it went pretty well. Oh, and yesterday I had like a call from Google, because I went through like 5 stages of the 5 stages of the cancer. No, 5 stages of the interview. And I don't know, like I think I might not get it, to be honest, because I wasn't really very well prepared for last 2 stages. I didn't really put that much effort into the lead code like preparation. I don't really like that stuff. I don't like, I might be wrong, I might be a dummy, but I don't really see much use in algorithms and data structures on the front end, especially. On the back end, it's close to that, The thing is, like, you usually use 3 or 4 data structures. In terms of like sorting and like bubble sort, whatever. And bubble sort is not really a sort you should use. So for most of the things, but like in terms of like, let's say you have a sort mechanism that you want to improve. Yes, that's probably a situation where you could use some proper algorithms. But the thing is, like, now when you see that there is a function that is taking too long, you can ask it, like, if you know which algorithms there are. So that's actually the only thing that I find useful there. Then you could actually tell it to use more or less the one that or to improve with some other algorithms, You could ask your AI, can you let me know which are the best algorithms for this? Yeah, something like that. So obviously that would be, yeah, we'll see. I mean, like they called me yesterday, didn't reach me, and they're not calling again. So I don't know. But the thing is, like with Google, it's like a huge company, and I kind of got used to that the process there is kind of funny, It's not very like, it's very impersonal. You just speak to people all over the world, You're interviewed by someone here. I think like one guy was from Spain, one from Israel that interviewed me. At the second stage, there were interviewers from London as well, like HR people. And also I had an in-person interview here in Warsaw. And there was a bunch of Polish people, 2 Polish people that were testing me there. So that's how it looked. The the algorithms they asked me, they weren't actually that hard, to be honest. But I wasn't very well prepared, especially the first one, because that was like a tree shaking algorithm to write. Fine. It was tree maybe not tree shaking, but like finding like some called islands on the tree of one, like binary tree. And like, to be honest, like a long time ago, I did bunch of those examples. I did some of preparation in that, like many, like maybe 3 or 4 years ago. I went through quite many algorithms back then. I never actually I never used them that much, so I never actually found a use for them to be repeated too much, you know. So then I did that example. I think I did okay, you know. I did maybe not okay. I would say like probably on like out of 100, if it was 1 to 10, I would say I did 3 or 3.5, you know. Then there was a second one about string, like concatenation, like building strings. And this was much easier for me because I did many more actually examples of that back in the day. Like I was playing with it a couple of years, like 10 years ago, I was playing quite a lot with that kind of algorithms. And that was actually pretty easy for me. Maybe not that easy. I actually did it. I did okay. I mean, I probably like here I would say 7 out of 10. So I didn't do perfect because there was actually one part that I did kind of silly code. And then I ran out of time. I think it would be working more or less, you know. It made sense, at least my algorithm. So I would say maybe I did 7 out of 10 on Google stuff. But on the other hand, like the company that is calling me for tomorrow, this is different, you know. It's not Google. Google would require me to go to the office all the time, like 3 times a week at least. And they have a nice offices though. But I think I kind of got bored of those, you know, when there is a really nice office and you get everything there. It's fun, obviously. You get free snacks and you have beers and you have parties and stuff. But on the other hand, like I don't know, it doesn't work on me anymore. You know, it used to be like those kind of offices where you have like ice cream every day and free food, free snacks, you know. That's cool. But on the other hand, like you just get used to it and like then you realize, oh, that's just part of the thing. It's not like I will miss it that much, you know, later. It's just like, yeah, it's nice. But also when I have kids, I can't really go to parties that much, you know. I have to take care of my kids. I have to go back home after work and stuff. So it's not always you know, that I'm using those perks. You know, you get lots of cool things, but then you can't use some of them. You're not going to stay out after work to get drunk because you have to drive back home, and yeah, you'll use it less and less. So maybe it's not that tempting anymore. Yeah, that's how it works. I'm not saying that it's bad, you know, it's fun, but maybe not always is my highest priority. So right now, if I had a job where I would be working from home, I would actually rent myself an office, and I would be doing quite a lot of live streaming as well there, you know. So I would be going to the office, I would be doing work for my bosses, I would be on the side, I would use another laptop to do my own stuff as well, and to do live streaming. I think that would be okay. I think that would be fine for, you know, with the bosses, with the new job, and with my current stuff. Yeah, I would be still able to manage, you know, the YouTube, the Planero, the pattern market, and the other stuff. A bit less, but it still would be doable. Or maybe I'm delusional, because sometimes with AI I'm kind of delusional. I think that I can do much more, and then I realize, oh, I didn't really do that much. I was hoping I can do much more, but it seems like it's not always a thing, you know, that can happen. So yeah, oh, good to see you. I think there are some new people joining. Good to see you guys. Make sure to subscribe, you know. This number went up today by 5 or 6 already, so obviously we are doing well today. So yeah, thanks for subscribing somebody quite recently. Yeah, it's 6 up from from the start of the live stream. Great, brilliant. And you know, my daughters go crazy. Cześć, dziewczynki. Yeah, my daughters go crazy behind me, and they want to play ukulele. So I might have a concert today, and they are breaking my. Nadika, nie rób tak. Stefcia, nie rób tak. They're trying to break my guitar. So this is a guitar I bought in London 20 years ago. Yeah. Slow Panda. I'm not really sure what this icon means. The mud icon or something. I have to check it. Okay, what's this? Face purple crying. Okay, so that's purple crying face. Okay, now I get that. I checked it. Yeah. So, are you crying, or is it me being crybaby because my daughters are breaking my guitar? Okay, let's just remove a camera for now. I will have to hide because I don't want my daughters to be showing here. They're coming here. Dziewczynki, nie, teraz jestem zajęty. Yeah. Oh, maybe I can. Maybe I can actually. Yeah, what was I doing? Yeah, I was actually going to sign up to my website with a credit card, and I keep on getting distracted by everybody, by Slow Panda or my daughters or myself. My brain keeps on distracting me all the time, so that's also a risk that I will start just talking again on the other stuff. So let me just plug my thing. I always because there are some new people. I think maybe it's hard to say, you know, the numbers go up and down. But basically, like, if you are building any project and you are interested in showing your project to the world, I'm doing those live streams where people can show their stuff. Bro, I invite my organization. Yeah, okay, on GitHub. Oh, okay, sorry. Azizbek is inviting to his organization. And I think I was going to do that yesterday, but I couldn't log in for some reason to my GitHub. There was some issue. There was some funny issue I had. Let me just find Azizbek, who has some cool stuff on his GitHub, actually. Azizbek. Oh no, I think he sent it to me on LinkedIn because we couldn't really get to the same channel. Couldn't get contact. Yeah, so GitHub here. So this is like a group. Yeah, Azizbek, you are running it. So I can follow it, yes, with my GitHub. So what does it do? Because this is not the language I know. Okay, so the nest of programming, a place of knowledge and experience. Frontend, okay. This is not my language. Okay, so welcome to Code Nest community. Is a hub for young and ambitious. Unfortunately, I'm none of those, you know, so I'm not either. I'm almost 40 next week, and I'm not that ambitious anymore. Maybe I am. I don't know. Hard to say. To exchange experience, build a real-world project. So actually joined Azizbek. Actually, this is Code Nest community. If you are interested in projects together, so are you stealing my idea, my friend? Are you stealing my idea to work together with some other people? Because I thought I'm the only one who has that idea. So basically, he's gonna go and work on stack that I'm very familiar with. So all of it: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, TypeScript, Nadika, and backend Django, which is a Python library. Pretty good one. I like it. Node.js. That's my daughter. We try not to show her on the game dev. I don't know any of those actually. Pygame, Ursina. So I don't know any of those. Automation, Telegram bots, and CI/CD tools. I've never built any Telegram bots. I know some CI/CD tools. Okay, so maybe I would be actually, if I was ambitious enough, maybe if I was younger and ambitious, maybe I could join that community. Their goals are open source, developing a contributing to to public projects together, mentorship, sharing knowledge, and supporting fellow developers. Quality, focusing on clean code and modern software architecture. Clean code is horrible architecture, in my opinion. Unless you mean like a clean in terms of like a nice and good code, but clean code is a very bad architecture, my friend. Especially the worst corporate there is culprit. Is it the single responsibility? I think I recommend everyone to watch this video by Casey Moratori. It's called Clean Code, Horrible Performance. And if after watching this video you are still talking about writing clean code, I know lots of corporate jobs will ask you to write clean code, but it's not a good it's not the best. It's very hard to manage. Even it used to be sold as, this is a great way to build and big projects, but it's almost impossible at some point. When it grows, you have to really do a lot of heavy brain work to actually maintain it. Even it's almost like, I never could get to clean code, unfortunately. I read it many times. I tried to actually work with it. I just couldn't get it. I didn't really enjoy it. And with JavaScript, like, for example, like, it's almost impossible to go for clean code if you are doing front end, because like you have plenty of side effects. You're supposed to not to have side effects, basically. That's one of the things. But like every HTTP like request is basically side effect. So it's not like, and you have like with React, you have often like a global state. So obviously that's something that, maybe that I'm confusing this with functional programming in this case, but still, like, there's lots of things that are standard in React, Redux in front end, and they are really not very good with clean code. Yes. Oh, I can see that people are voting. And let's see my stream. Okay, so this is actually nice to see. When I said clean code, that just meant working organized code and folders. Okay, that's good. So this is, I would say, like architecture, good architecture, stuff like that. Clean code, it's basically like clean code is a industry standard, that people follow. And I don't know how they follow, because it's very murky. But clean code is there's bunch of this is by this Robert C. Martin. I think this is Uncle Bob, isn't it? Yes, Uncle Bob. Yes, he's very popular, like online, very like many. And I think I have this code somewhere. I have this book somewhere about clean code. I even tried to read it maybe 8 years ago. Couldn't fucking stomach that. This was just stupid stuff. So then I was actually really happy to find that Casey Moratori is talking that it's a horrible actually approach, I mean, horrible, like, it's not working really. Yeah, a handbook of agile software craftsmanship. Yeah. Okay, yes, let's delete those users. I forgot that I'm doing stuff for my app. I forgot that I have to still make things working for my project. Not only just talking, I keep on talking all the time. Obviously, that's my fault. That's one thing I might need to fix one day, and just stop talking so much on clean code and stuff. But oh, okay, so this is my production. Let's just sign up a new, okay, Planero, oh, no, Planero online, yes, launch Planero. And now, yeah, I think I have to go for Yeah, let's just do that. Match carp. And here, okay, it's just, I have to do that on the other screen because I don't want to share some information. Yeah, I want to, some stuff I want to keep hidden, you know? So obviously, yeah. So yeah, clean code is, I don't know, you basically, I think it makes code harder, not easier. And it's supposed to be like this architecture that makes big projects more possible. 6.0. But I don't know. I never could stomach it, and then I was happy to actually learn that it's not really that efficient in terms of how it's actually working in the browser, you know? I mean, in the, sorry, how computers are actually managing it. They are not really very good at that. And yeah, it doesn't seem to be very, oh. So yeah, error. Okay, I was trying to pay now, but it didn't process. Okay. I mean, oh. Okay, so I supposed to, I've created account. And now let's see if it's actually gonna, but because I've got error here on my phone. Oh, here. Yeah, good. Okay, so we signed up this guy. Now I have to cancel it on Stripe, or let's just check on Stripe. Stripe, please warn me when you want to stop the live stream. Last time you stopped suddenly. I'll write to the chat. Yeah, okay, I will. I'm always saying that I'm going, you know, I never actually do it suddenly. Or I mean, sometimes I do. Okay, sometimes I just have to, my kids or something. There's an emergency somewhere around, you know, so probably like sometimes I do exit my live streams quicker than I want to, but mostly I don't really, you know, I mostly try to sort of do it slowly and just tell people to sign up, to subscribe, and that kind of stuff. I'm not going yet, so don't start going yourself. But usually, like because Azizbek is saying that I left some time quicker than I should, obviously. Subscriptions, let's see that. So active, scheduled, simulated. Oh, doesn't, okay, so this one. Oh yeah, free tier and 7. Oh, so yes. This one is registered, although I got some error actually, but that's fine. I think like, so yeah, it's working. I fixed it. Woohoo! So yeah, my emergency podcast live stream, I can actually start talking again. Great, but here, let's just cancel that. Yes, immediately ends, current end of the current period. 7th of April. Cancel subscription. Yes, okay. Good. Nice. So basically I have this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's better. 12 votes on the thing. Like I can see that people Just thinking and brainstorming. That's, I don't know, like, why is this most popular? Obviously, like, most of the people come out with the ideas themselves, you know, and obviously often they're good, or sometimes they're good, so we might get lucky, as much as, you know, other people can be lucky. I think it's good to actually talk to people, but it's also good to think of your problem, so of the problem you could solve. So I think I agree with the responses of my survey. By the way, are you a full stack developer yourself? Write it on GitHub. It will give you an aura. Yeah, I don't know, like am I? The thing is, like, I built many, like, bunch of things. Maybe not that many actually. I think that would be overstatement. I've built a couple of things as a full stack developer, basically. So backend, front end. Mostly I built front end anyway. So that's something that I've been doing mostly. So I don't know, like, yes, I can probably write that on my GitHub. Where do I write on GitHub that I'm a full stack developer? Because I don't really know. Is there like about me or something? Profile? Repositories, front end from Poland, edit profile. Let's call myself full stack. Full stack. Stack developer. Most of my code. Yeah, I should ask my AI. Actually, let's just do that. I mean, I don't want to be asking AI now for this. So, from Poland with mostly front end, but moving more toward full stack in recent years. Although, like, I started working on the, like, with backend project like 6 years ago, but like I wasn't really doing that much backend. Website. Yeah, let's just do pixels and logic. And logic.eu. Social links. I don't know. Do I have any social? No, I don't. Okay. Oh, no, I can put like the YouTube. Yeah, obviously. Open source. This is bad. Okay, no. I'm not gonna be. Let's not get too much dragged into those videos. This is my channel. Yes, Code and Hustle. YouTube. Do I have any other social media? Like, I have LinkedIn. I don't want to be promoting it here. Yeah, let's just, that's my only social media for now. And I've got 9 followers. I think this number seems to be growing. There is you, Azizbek. Good to see you. There's Jakub. Oh, Ranjit, it's a great guy. Yeah, we're a great bunch. Sanjay. Discord, LinkedIn. Yes. No, I'm not gonna do LinkedIn here. LinkedIn, I just feel like it's a bit more personal. I don't put pronouns. I don't really believe in that stuff. What was my Discord? Yes, Discord. Yes. So that's my channel. Do I like? I think I put channel. Yes. Is it gonna Discord? Save. But although this link can change, isn't it? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, how are you guys? Did you manage to complete something? Because I was actually successful today in getting my backend fixed. I think I will still do some more testing. Obviously, this is something that I don't do enough. You know, I personally do probably like 1/3 of testing I should be doing, and maybe I should start writing actually some proper like like tests, like integration tests, end-to-end tests, maybe for the product, for my project. That might actually be a good idea, you know, especially for sign up and stuff like this. So it actually redirects me to the right place. Yeah. Also, I was kind of thinking, like, when someone registers, let's not show that stuff, dude. Can we? When someone registers, should we really be redirected to some like funny page? To this ugly page that doesn't look like the rest of the page. Sorry. I will have to think of that actually. Oh, and there is this part. I wrote this thing after creating an account. Payment for the damn it. Let's search for this part because I get this message. Yes, okay. So I got this translation. Plan name. But this is not name, this is ID. Do we have any other? Like, okay, let's just see. Where is this actually being used? Yes. Plan, selected plan ID, plan name, selected plan period. Okay. What others? What other things I have? So selected plan ID. Let's see where it actually comes from. Maybe maybe that will be me programming now. Yes. Where is it? Select hash. Plan ID. Hash params. Ooh, URL. This is not really the best solution, I think. I'm not really the. And here we have some component here for a link. It's AI, obviously, so I can't be. I allow it to be done, you know, to my app. I ask AI to build things for me, so I should be understanding a bit more. You know, I shouldn't really be judging my AI for writing not the way I like it. That's always something I kind of notice. You know, maybe I shouldn't be that hash to my code that I get from AI. I will be back in like 2 or 3 minutes, okay? Or let's have a 5, okay? I will do a 5 minutes break. I want to go again to the toilet again. I don't know. I've been drinking too much, but I also want to have a coffee, another coffee. So this is not really something. But so yeah, I will be back in 5 minutes. If you are guys here, I will appreciate that. If not, then I understand. Yeah, see you, Slow Panda. It was nice to see you, especially your emojis. And yeah, I'll be back in 5 minutes. And yeah, see you around, guys. Yeah. Ah, your portfolio site is great. Send a message to Pixels and Logic. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm back. And yeah, more people. Good. I prefer, like, I should go for breaks more, because sometimes I realize I go for a break and people are coming. Yeah, so great. Maybe I should have a longer break now. And thanks for some more votes there. And subscribe, guys. I think there are some new people here. Make sure to press that lovely button. Look, it says 7 people here, and here it says 6. Never, I never know. Make sure to vote in my poll. I love what, I think, obviously I don't really 100% agree with, sorry, with my audience, or what, but although, like, okay, this is the question is not where you should get your ideas from, but where you usually get them from. And I think that's probably more likely, that we kind of think about them and maybe find something. Thank you. Thank you for your blessings. We search online sometimes. We don't really often talk to people. And that like with my Planero app, this is actually like a new thing for me, that I just spoke to some guys and just asked, oh, I'm kind of thinking about building something. What do you have any ideas as well? Do you need anything automated? Because I know you are doing a successful business. So I think like I'm quite interested in what you can tell me about that. So yeah, good video. Watch this one after my live stream. You will learn about the clean code. And yeah, clean code is actually a very popular way of writing the code, which in my opinion is not very good. I never actually could really, I mean, I could grasp some of the things, and some of them like make sense. Basically, you try to name your functions well. You try not to make them too long, but like there's this thing about single responsibility, which is just funny almost, Try to build an app on single responsibility functions. I got 225 XPs and I'm still at the first place. Is this like a game for you, Azizbek? Congratulations, you are the top performer out there. Keep on going. Obviously, my chat interactions, and my channel loves it when people are writing a lot. Yeah, it's like playing games for some people. But yeah, like and almost like it's 2 hours 22 minutes. I've been actually checking, like there are people who stay almost all day. Like they do like 8 hours live streams. I cannot, like, obviously, or maybe I should try, maybe I should try to do that. It's really hard for me because, like I said, then I got like my energy goes down. I don't want to be like doing something like half-assed. And then sometimes my kids come in and just start interacting with me, obviously. So like, and we try to actually avoid showing my kids in the internet at all. When they are older, they can decide to be internet people. But for now, I think like we try not to show them too much. So yeah, okay. I think this is fixed, at least. So let's start working on a next step. Which is called advertising this baby. So getting some real customers, hopefully, and for real money. So I've got actually my Google account. Everyone has a Google account. You're gonna say yes, and you are right, but I have my Google advertising account. That's the one I want to actually talk about. So Google AdWords, and your campaign has ended. I can fix that, the fact that it has ended, and I've got analytics obviously on my website. So if you're not familiar, this is actually where you see how many people go to your websites and that kind of stuff. So you can connect it to any website. I've got it on Pixels and Logic. I've got it here. I've got it on Szklania Szylska, which is my wife's website. Let's see how many people go there. I'm kind of curious. if she is more popular than me, and she could be because she's quite good with Instagram, and she will have like you know, direct and organic search. She doesn't advertise here. She sometimes she advertises on Instagram, but not here. But what I wanted to show is Planero. So basically, this is how many users I get a week now. It's almost nothing. So it's almost my website is almost dead in terms of how many connections I get. And like I've installed this plugin, so it doesn't really. Oh, China. One from China, one from Pakistan, someone from Poland, someone from Portugal, is it? No, Mauritania. There's US, good, and US, and more US. So basically, what was I saying? I was saying some Uzbekistan. Where is it good? No, there's nobody from Uzbekistan here. Obviously, Uzbekistan is here somewhere. Yes, yes, I have it. Or maybe no, there is zero. Oh, there's Kazakhstan. I can't catch it. I can't find it. Can I zoom in? Oh yes, I can zoom in. Okay, good. So let's find Uzbekistan here. Okay, okay, zero Uzbekistan. So you know, you can always go there. Although I don't know. Although the thing is, like, you are not my customer, are you? So like for me, it's just gonna be one more person visiting. So that doesn't really change much. You know, I appreciate you going there and just talking about it. That's fine. But the thing is, no one's from India as well. Usually I get people from India. So I appreciate that you come here, but basically, like, you're not my customer. So like if you don't go there, it's not a big problem for me. So recently it went down a lot because I'm not really advertising it on YouTube anymore, because I don't like YouTube views are actually that valuable. I mean, YouTube clicks on the website are that valuable. With YouTube, it's really hard to actually, like, you can make a video, but then it's really hard to do all that proper targeting in terms of, like, you know, who should go there and stuff. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work very well. So that's why I usually do that on, that's why that Google AdWords is better for this. So here I've got my account, let's fix it. But today I was trying to actually get my campaign running, and this is my old campaign, which sort of, can we use this one or not? Planner sales. How do I edit that one? Do I create edit campaign? Okay, good. So I've got my campaign. So what settings I will okay, sorry, I just have to I'll be back in a second. Yeah, back. Keep on disappearing, I know. Okay, so we've got this campaign in 3 locations. Enter another location. Advanced settings. Okay, so how do I... Maybe not US. Let's just remove US from here. Germany. Should I use Germany? I don't know. Poland, Denmark, UK, Sweden, Ireland. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Norway. Enter another location. Are we including them or excluding? Language English. Does not have EU political ads. Yes. Continue. Start date, end date. Okay, so let's change this to somewhere in April. Yes. So we're gonna do 2 weeks from now. So it's gonna be a week after my birthday, where I become 40. Or a horrible number. I'd rather be 20. Maybe not, actually. There's some experience. On bronze list. Okay. Don't know what this is doing, actually. EU political, add rotation. What's actually why? Look, like this is Google actually. Like how horrible this. Okay, this is like this could actually fit my page, should it? Like it should fit my page. Campaign options, tracking template. I don't know what's that. Final URL suffix. Custom parameters. That's good for measuring things, like when you are a bit more exact, but page feeds. IP exceptions. Okay, let's just keep that as it is. Add groups. Okay, I think that's where we have the most to do. So let's just do campaign. How did we call it? Let's start with today's date. Or actually, like that. Okay, that's just one. Okay, I've got multiple keywords, which they are not very good. Delivery management software. This is a really actually broad. Yes. Let's just remove those. Those are not really correct. Yes. Confirm. And my keywords, paste keywords, you can separate each keyword by commas. Simple. I think there are ERP tools. ERP, yes. Manufacturing business product according to data-driven. Okay. ERP tools are software that integrate core business processes, accounting, HR, manufacturing, supply chain. Yeah, simple delivery ERP. Yes, let's try that. Is this like keywords? Add keyword. Okay, keywords can trigger enter late. I was doing it earlier with different stuff, like different forms were there. No. Okay, this was not the place. Was it? Let's see, save that for now. Low search volume. Under review. Yeah. What do I do? Thanks for subscribing, somebody. Nice to see you. Your extra subscribe. Oh, okay, sorry. Why aren't others chatting? The thing is, like, sometimes on YouTube people don't chat because not all of them are registered or logged in, you know. Sometimes, like myself, I probably chat maybe once every 10th live stream I'm watching, so I don't really do that too much as well myself. So that's actually Azizbek asking, why are people not chatting? And sometimes they do, but in terms of obviously it's not always a always, yes, they don't know. Delete and app software. Quick. I don't know if this is a good. Save. Pending, under review. Yeah, I don't know. I got ads here, yes? So what's this ad about? So okay, yeah, okay. I think that's where I was earlier today. Make headlines more unique. So more ideas. Product planner app. Okay, delivery management software. So simple. Simple. Schedule deliveries easily. Okay. More ideas. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can do it here. Asset library. Why I want to replace SaaS. What is this from? Oh, okay. Simplify your logistics. That's a good one. Cancel. Okay. Manage your team seamlessly. Simple delivery software. Okay, like automate your logistics. Simplify your logistics. Okay, this are good. Like, okay, I want those. Yeah, I want to use those actually. They're better than what I have currently. Modern delivery operations, style delivery chaos. Because I was setting it this morning, there are some things that look like what I was actually doing, and like simple delivery software, schedule, delivery logistics solved. Online order tracking system. See. Sample. See every delivery, every step of the way. Don't know if I love it actually, but let's just keep it. If you're new, subscribe, guys. I can see there's maybe some new people. I don't know. Powerful delivery management features for modern delivery operations. And yeah, let's just do the Discord. Yeah. So if you are new here, don't forget to join my Discord channel where people can talk about projects that they're running, that they're building. That's one thing. And also there's a form here on top where you can sign up for a project which I'm planning to start from April. And my idea there is there will be a bunch of people building it, and I will be managing it. And then there will mostly they will share the profits if they ever make any. But it's also good for experience and stuff. Just a thought. What do we do? By the way, it wasn't just a thought. Sorry, what was the thought? I think I'm not sure. So, preview ads, share. Add 6 side links, yes? Side link 1. So first one is Planner online features. So let's do features, yes. And features. Features. I just say, don't you think so? Because everyone else has already started. Okay, I don't know. Sometimes I read the chat and then someone removes the message midway. Hello, Red Code. Do I know you, Red Code? I'm not really familiar. You've got some videos that you are producing. Goye effects by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What's Goye effects? What's this effect?
Hello friends, welcome to the Red Code channel. Today I will show you how you can create Goye effect in your images with the help of HTML.
Oh, where's audio? I lost audio.
You have to write this code in your HTML code. Make sure the sequence is the same as my code. I will share this CDN link in my description. You can copy and paste it. Write the JavaScript code like me. Make sure the debug value is true set.
Okay. Cosmic Wonders, creating galaxy with 3JS. Looks cool. Although a bit too regular. Galaxies don't really look that way. Yeah, good. Good to see you. Back from the meeting. Nice to see you, my friend. Yeah, the chat is exploded. Everyone is talking now. Yeah. Extract videos from HTML like that. I don't know. Yeah, good to see you guys. I'm doing my campaign, trying to get it out there, like a advertising campaign for my product, Planero. And obviously, this is something that I'm actually afraid of a bit. They're fun, obviously, but this is where I have to put my money into. So obviously, I want to get money from people, but I don't always want to pay money for things. That's a yeah, that's a fun thing. And so yeah, features. Recommended description line 2. So my features is here. So how is it going to show? Yes. Check out my features. So there is a, it seems to be recommending it, but doesn't show it here. Or maybe on computer. It's probably on PC. Features, yes. So I have what sort of features to can use from day one? Oh, thanks for subscribing. 2 people at the same time. Yes, was it? Or maybe 1. That's fine. Thanks for subscribing. We are trying to get the bloody advertising campaign, which is like this is like something that I don't have much experience with myself. My wife used to do that actually at one job, but now she likes gardening much more. So I have to figure it out myself, and start promoting this thing, because if I don't promote it, basically, I tried promoting it on YouTube. So I have some videos that I actually tried to get them to be seen by more people, basically, but they do quite bad job at selling things. I think YouTube is kind of widespread. It's really hard to hit like exact people that you want. So you are sending your ad or your video to many people that are not really interested in your product. So one thing you can do is do this AdWords, and probably Facebook ads are good for that. LinkedIn as well, but LinkedIn is super freaking expensive. So there are good actually places to, you know, where you can make your ads more precisely what word am I looking even? To, you know, to get to get more people, basically, to get exact people that you need, not just like send it to anyone that is out there. Just, you know, it's actually pretty good with specific people. So I hope this time, because I've been spending money on YouTube ads, they don't really work that well. Maybe if you have something more generic, you know, if you have a movie that you want to promote or something that everyone can watch, that's probably better for YouTube. But this didn't really seem to work that way. So here I can recommend, okay, the description fields. Okay, let's just try to use this. I will use AI for this. I just don't know what to do. Okay, let's just give it like I'm adding a marketing campaign to add Google AdWords, and it's asking me for some site links, This is what it's saying. This is what it's asking for. Can you recommend 6 if we need some more IDs for? Let's do that. IDs added to our HTML to direct to it. Let's do that. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Which tech stack? Mern? No, in this case, it's React on the front end. Backend is Python and Django. I have other app actually with Mern stack, which I actually enjoyed a lot building a couple of years ago. I started building it a couple of years ago, and now I dug it out from my GitHub and restarted working on it. Basically, I just got back to working on it again, which is a fun exercise. So yeah, it's not going to disappear. You know, I'm gonna finish it, I hope. And now I'm bringing some other people. So I've got one app with Mern stack, and I'm actually like working with some other people on it. So there's 3 other people working on it with me. But this one is Django backend, Postgres, and you know, whatever is there, Python and React on the front end. Pretty good actually. I like that. I like actually Django. Django is pretty fun. And the one thing that maybe not actually, get started, align to start a free trial. Okay, so this is what we do. Yeah, okay, let's where's my AdWords now? Okay, so like I use my AI to give me some ideas because I just couldn't figure it out what to do. And where's my AdWords now? I just closed it. Did I? Ooh, Pixels and Logic. Good, yeah. Azizbek is sending stuff to me from my website. Yes, thank you. Okay, that's about my cat. That doesn't matter. This is let's just close this. Yeah, I will move this here. too many tabs. Yeah, too many browser windows open. That's. Is this here? No, not here, and not here. Okay, too many. Using AI. This is why the RAM costs are increasing. That's for me. Yeah, I think it's on me. I think it's because of me that the RAM costs are increasing. Yes, I agree. Like, I mean, I don't really care about RAM costs too much. I don't play games that much, and I have already a couple of machines that are. I have a laptop that sort of is okay, so I'm not really bothered too much about RAM costs. But yeah, unfortunately, that's the consequence of AI. And I built this one with AI. This is my first like real project that I used AI quite heavily. You know, before I was very pessimistic about what it can offer. I was cautious to actually start using it, but this time I actually used it quite heavily for the first time. Oh, here it is. And what I like actually, there's some things I like about AI. You know, for example, when you have your project, it's gonna do a good job with what's like marketing. It's very easy to actually do that. Let's start it in minutes. Yes. Free trial. Start a free trial. Check out my features. So no, let's not do this one. No credit card required is not a true statement, really. But okay, let's just go to the features. Yes, no, start a free trial. Choose your plan. Cancel anytime. Okay, let's do this. Cancel anytime. Yeah, that's good. So I've got one site link now. There is this site link number 2. How it works. Watch the quick product demo. That's a news. That's a good one. VR delivery management. Simple, or maybe simple delivery management. Yeah, and how it works. Good. Site link free. Features. Suppliers collaboration tool. Let's use this one. So where is my features? Okay. Let's go to features. What are the centralized product and delivery management? Team collaboration. They actually have that. Export, import, Excel. Let's do this. Actually, this is a good feature. I know it's a basic feature, you know, import, export, Excel, but I think it's useful. Please take a review for my project. Yeah, go send it to me. Can I think I can build a good learning page for you, landing page for you. I feel like I have a good landing page. I actually love my landing page. I recently redesigned it. But yeah, please send it to me. Are you on Discord? Because if you actually drop your link into the chat here, it might not go. Like the YouTube chat is not really allowing people to send their links. So you have to either go to Discord or, I don't know, send me an email or something. Free plan always available. Let's try that for now. And pricing plans. Okay, so I do have it twice. Okay, so this is twice. Comparison. Do I have like a Okay, let's just do this for now. Yeah. So it seems like plans, okay. Contact section. Oops, no, contact us, yes. So I will check it in a minute, yeah. Just finish this one. Get answers from our team. That makes no sense. Response within 24 hours. That's good, but we can, okay, let's just do a book a tour. Okay, I'll have to change this book appointment because it seems book a tour. So login, how it works, contact. Oh, I don't have a link to contact. Crazy. Where is it? Where's the section ID? Contact section. Yes. Here. Okay, let's do this and here. Yeah, okay, let's just save this for now. Create. Good. Okay, make. Ooh, everything upgraded. See, like now I'm average. I was I was shit. Now I'm average. So yeah, I think like I'm improving. On Discord. Okay, let me just check my Discord. So I still have to work on my ads, but they seem to get better. Discord. Where is the get smart code site? Okay, where's the smart code? Okay, one thing, try to actually improve your, I can see that you didn't really worry too much about SEO, yes? Yeah, you don't really care too much about SEO. If it's AI project, just ask your AI agent to create your SEO for you, yes? Yeah. Yeah, so for example, like it will create all the tags that are necessary. So for example, like here, you should have like quite many of those, you know, like meta tags that will actually, it will improve searchability, you know. So if you are interested in actually getting people here from organic search, you're probably good to have that. Elevate your code game with smart code. Okay, smart code is your personalized coding playground built to oh, I like that. Aspiring developers and competitive programmers. Okay, it looks cool. I like the effect here. Pretty nice. Join us. This is good. Okay. Although here I like that. Track the interviews. Yeah, this is actually useful. I think I would expose it even more, you know, to kind of remind people why they are here. Yeah, to like, this is just logo. I like this effect, but basically I would write here, just like this section is here to remind you why you are here, you know, to remind you that you really have to sign up, you know. So make this actually more visible. Like it's important to remind your user why. Like, you know, if this is a section, you know, he can play with it, that's fun. But just remind him why he's here, you know. It's important for him to actually finish this stuff. Yeah, let's go back, get started. Okay. This doesn't work, yes? You have a button that doesn't work, so fix that. Loading model. This is slow, yes? So, okay, but now I'm here. Welcome to Smart Code. Okay, this is cool. Smart Code is an all-in-one coding platform built for modern developers who value speed, clarity, and collaboration. Whenever you are building microservices, designing front-end apps, and deploying full-stack projects, Smart Code streamlines your workflow with AI-assisted suggestions. I need to now think of it. What am I reading? Oh, look, he's actually. I want to read it. He's covering. Okay, well, how do I get his hands to get away? I want to read this, and he covers my text. I can't read it anymore. Yeah, that's fine. But like, if you have a toy like this, it's fun. But make sure it doesn't really abstract people from using your site. You know, for example, now I can't read it. And you know, you want to inform people why are they here. So build with spline. What's spline actually? Okay. What are we proving to you? Connect with friends, learn with AI analysis. Okay, let's start code. Sign up. Okay. Yeah, I will sign up. Let's do that now. Sign up. Full name Maciej. My email is patternmarket22@gmail.com. It's like just one of the emails I'm using. Enter your password. This is a strong password. It's not a strong password. This is like let's try password 1. Yeah, password 1 is not a strong password. With A actually, add as okay, maybe it's a strong password. I don't know. There is a @ symbol. Ooh, that's going to my email. Yes, Gmail. Email, good. Mail, go to spam. No, it's not spam. It's here. So no, it's not. It didn't go to spam in my case. Ooh, what a face I have. Click to update data. I don't know what's happening now. Okay, it's cool. Lecture progress. This is add to numbers. Oh, that's the easy one. I own the JavaScript. Okay, so this is like a code wars, isn't it? Okay, let's just see if it's easy. Return 0. Implement logic here. Okay, A plus B. Yes. Whoops. A plus B. Wow. Yeah, I've done it. Process. Okay, so this is obviously some tests. A, B, go to string, trim. Okay, split. Obviously, let's do parse int at least. I could check the types and stuff. Tak? Przyniosę za chwilę. Na razie jestem trochę zajęty, ale przyniosę później. Good, okay, run. Submit or whatever. Run, see the output, test cases. Input 10, 20, okay, 7. Okay, I think I managed to get that one running. Result. Okay, code. So I do submit now, yes? No results yet. Click submit. Okay, it seems to be broken a bit. This is not really an array test, isn't it? This is just like a normal function. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. Basically, I can't, when I run it, no results yet. So basically it doesn't seem to check my code. Doesn't do submission, editorial, solutions. Yeah, obviously that's what we do, A plus B. Let's see if I can do hard ones. Easy, medium. Oh, there's a hard. Binary search. Ooh, binary search. How did I... Argument, targets. Given the sorted array of integers. Hello guys, make sure to subscribe. I'm testing a app from Redcode 108. Okay, I'm not gonna do binary search. It would take me about half an hour at least to actually get it out there. So obviously, like, you know, given the sorted array. Okay, is this sorted array? Okay, yes. Of integers and target value. Return the index of the target if it's fine. But this is actually easy. This is not really a hard question, is it? Like in JavaScript, you have a function for that, yes? So when you have this array target, so it's index of, yes? Array dot index, yes? Of or something. Array index of JavaScript, yes? I don't remember exactly. Index of, yes, just capital letter. So you do this, and then it just gives you that. Otherwise, it's actually, it's gonna solve this problem. Return. And I probably pass a index of, yes, this number. So this was actually, this wasn't hard. Yeah, good. I was afraid I will have to think of it too much. It will take me half an hour or something, but no, I did it in a minute or two. So I'm a genius, you know. Going to work because of free API limits. Okay, it's cool. I mean, this is basically, I used to play this thing called Code Wars. I used to spend an hours there, like every day. I would just come back from work and just do some tests, you know. Code Wars. It's like, you know, it's like what you do, but if you did it for 10 years already. I think that's me actually here, is it? Some level 5, it's like karate or something. Yeah, okay, let's go to your good new features, but this is your competition, you know, they're pretty good. This is like an OpenAI logo, isn't it? Is it? Or one of those? Okay, maybe GitHub, wherever. Feed, what are new features? New features, DSA area. What are new features? I don't see them. Submit problems. Feed. I don't see new features. Do you wanna, okay, no problem. Do you wanna join me on the live stream? You'll show, like, you'll speak about your app, okay? And then I can record it and maybe release it as a separate thing. What do you think about that offer? You could tell me how you built it, what are your plans, blah, 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 you know, wherever you think is useful. Yeah, you can run me through it, ask me some questions. That would be better. What do you think, Redcode? Would you be up for that? I would show we would do a live stream where you would be showing your app. Then I would cut it down to a shorter video and make a video for promoting it as well. Why not? Track your progress. Ooh, score 2. Oh, okay, so it actually calculates something. Gave me a score. It's a cool thing. Like, I think you're building a cool thing. And basically, you don't really have to have it ready to talk about it. You can tell us what you're planning in the future with that. No, I'm not ending yet. I need to I need to go to the toilet for a third time. I was just drinking too much tea, coffee, and water. So I will disappear for 5 minutes. Like every hour, I just do that now. But like I was drinking things all the time. So that's why I have to pop into the toilet for a minute. I will stay another hour. Why not? And then I'll go for a run. Maybe less than an hour. Maybe like 40 minutes or something. But yeah, like I encourage you, my friend, Redcode. If you want to show it, let me know. You are on Discord, so you can hit me up whenever you're ready. And honestly, this is a great idea. So I'm not discouraging you. I think like you should be doing that. And I feel like even my comments were actually very mild, because I don't like it's actually, I think it's pretty good. Looks cool actually. You have a quite a good set of yeah, it looks cool. I like that. And you know, fighting characters here. My goals for the new year. And obviously it's a big work, you know. Yeah, so obviously, so I'll be back in 3 minutes, okay? I'll just grab something, go to the loo. Yeah. Yeah, great, this is big. Good job. 300 XP, like you're just on fire today. Yeah, I'll be back in like 2 minutes, like 2 or 3 minutes or something. Thank you. Yeah, go. Yeah, but come back, my friend. Red coat. Go then, hustle. Connect me on the Discord chat. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. And break. Let's just stay another 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, I think that maybe less, maybe more. We'll see. Then I'll be back later. Actually, obviously, I'm always back. I love to talk to people. And smart code, yes. I like this picture. Cool. It's like he's really working hard, and the hard hat, obviously, it's yeah, good. So that's I like apps which are proving me that I'm quite smart, you know. So like your Red Code 108, your app showed that, you know, I can do hard algorithm problems, which weren't that hard actually, in my opinion. But obviously, yeah, I feel smarter now. Thanks for you. So thank you, my friend, for making me feel like a smartass. Yeah, let's just go back to the top. Okay. Oh yeah, I was going to do my business logo. What's my business logo? Okay, add the logo. Website upload. Okay. Upload from computer. So Planero. And I want to use, I think it's this one. No. So this is transparent. Okay, I wanted to have not transparent version. Let's use the black one. Yeah, let's use this one. Save. site links. I've done that. Add more headlines. Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. Business name. The name should match your URL or your verified ad, which is not in Yahoo. Like what? Business name. Planero. Yeah. Is this my business name? So one headline missing. More ideas. Let's stop. Simple. Your logistics. Automate your logistics. Stop paying with your time. I don't like some of those. Some of them are silly, actually. But okay, let's just include popular keywords. Delivery. Simplify. Save. Did I do anything? Few ideas. Okay, I don't really get that, to be honest. Are there ERPs? ERP. ERP tool. Yeah, I don't know if this is. Delivery management software. Simple delivery ERP. Yeah, okay, maybe that will do. Don't know. Okay, so keywords, good. I don't know what to do with it. Choose up to 15 headlines. Did I not choose up to 15 headlines? So I have 15 headlines now, yes? Make them cancel. Shit. Add more site links. Okay, I think I'm missing. Okay. Let's ask my AI again for more. We are using twice and we any other site that is unique. Yeah. Okay, okay. Contact us, yes. Compare versus create free account. Okay, where we features, see how it works. Okay, do we have see how it works already or not? See how it works. Features, compare, see how it works. Yes, start free trial. So I need one more. So create one more, yes. But oh shit, no, cancel. This is like horrible in terms of like this UI is so bad actually. Like I'm scrolling, I can't see anything. Like how people on small screens can actually manage this. Where are the site links again? Here. Site link 6. Please don't make me do it again. Where? Edit. Create. Do I like do that? Yeah, okay, I want to add one more. Please let me. Come on, Google. Don't make me suggested. No. Start free trial, features, register. Okay. Create free account. Can I? Okay, let's try this one. Start in under 2 minutes. No, that's not a good one. What was I trying to achieve now? Register. Cancel anytime. No logistics certified. Yeah, okay, let's try that. So what's my page register? This one. Anyone wants to show his app? Are we having? Is there anyone? Yeah, create. Yes. Are we number 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Features. Did I not create one? I just pressed create, yes? This is like the worst. Like, look, this is Google. Like they spend like 5 interviews to get you hired. Like if they want to, like they will really drill you down if you want to get job for Google, and then like they give you this layout. Like this is an app that like obviously AdWords they're building for the last 10 years. And like look how horrible this is. Okay, I can do table now, but also like for a bad design. Columns. What do I? Shit. Cancel. Features, pricing, contact. Okay, I want to add one more, but like, is this possible in that tool? You know, because so I did that, you know. Yeah, it was a good 3 hours. Are you going, Azizbek? You're the one that actually makes me stay longer. Now you're gonna say you're gonna go, yes? Yeah, let's just start again with those. Okay, let's just I don't know what to do. Yeah, obviously, you have to stay now. No, I'm just kidding. If you want to go, callouts. I don't know, make your headlines more unique. Tracking template. Yeah, obviously, everyone is coding. No, I'm not really coding. I'm trying to get my campaign running. And it's absolutely, this tool is so hideous. And I've been building it for 10 years, you know. But, oh, I can make it smaller, yes. So, more sidings, yes. So I've got 3 sidings now. Oh, okay. Pricing, features, contact. So this is actually something I created this morning. Features, no. Maybe if I edit this one. Okay, let's just try. Good. Oh, okay. So now I want to do the register one. This one. Okay, good. Start in 2 minutes. Create free account. And one I got from here, yes. In 5 minutes. Import your 5 minutes. Yeah. Excel data. Yeah, okay, advanced. Save. Are you gonna features? No, it's not. Ah, this is like really horrible UI. Edit. No, did I not save it? One, two, three, four, 5, yeah. So I'm trying to add another one and it's not really letting me. Crazy. So I want to create new one. No, it doesn't allow me. Okay, let's try again. Okay, one more time. Because otherwise it's gonna be telling that my campaign is shit. No. Port, yeah. In 5 minutes. Can I create now? Will you allow me? No, it doesn't. It doesn't allow me to do that. Bloody hell, like, then it's actually asking me save ad. Yeah, let's just save it for now, so it's not getting it lost. I think like I will be slowly going, unfortunately, because I feel like there is some party in my house. My kids are going crazy. I don't know if it's running. It's pending. Okay, for now I will just skip it. So put on some music. Yeah, I should have. No, I think I will go and just help my wife and pick up things from the garden, like clean. I'll be back later. I think like it's have fun. Yeah, I think I will be going. So thanks guys for joining me. I think like you enjoyed actually today. I think it was quite popular in a way. Like there was 218 views, so that's a good number for me. And bunch of people stayed for a while, so that's nice. So I appreciate that. Thanks guys for coming. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. The number here is how many subscribers I've got, which makes me proud that it's growing nicely. And yeah, come back. I will be showing you this campaign that I've just started, I think, while it's being there. I think I need to improve a couple of things, but it's, yeah, I will work on it still. And yeah, have a nice afternoon. I'll be probably later again, unless it's evening in your country. I'll be back later again. And yeah, check out my videos. I think there is new one today, if I remember correctly, or tomorrow, or yesterday there was one for sure. So yeah, thanks for coming and have a nice day. Cheers.